In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pending transfers in the Robinhood app. We'll walk through the exact screens to open, what the pending label means, and how to quickly see the status and timeline of any transfer. Start by opening the Robinhood app and signing into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the bottom right corner for the profile icon, the little person silhouette, and tap it to open your account section. At the top left of this page, you'll see the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. Tap that to open the navigation panel, then select History. The History page is your activity log. This is where deposits, withdrawals, and transfers appear along with their current state, so it's the best place to confirm what's in progress and what's already finished. On this screen, scan your list for items labeled pending. Pending simply means the transfer has been initiated but hasn't finished moving between your bank and Robinhood yet. This can apply to cash you've just deposited, money you're withdrawing back to your bank, or other transfer activity. Processing times can vary based on bank cutoffs, weekends, and holidays, so it's normal for some items to remain pending for a bit before they settle. If you don't see a pending label on something you expected, it may have already completed or failed, and the status field in its details will confirm that. If you want to focus only on transfer-related activity and reduce the noise from other items, tap Filters and choose Transfers. That optional filter narrows the list so you only see deposits, withdrawals, and related transfer entries. It's especially helpful if your account history is busy. You can always clear the filter later to return to your full history view. When you find a pending transfer you want to learn more about, tap it. You'll see a detail view with the transfer amount, the estimated completion date, and the current status. Status will read pending when it's still in progress, completed once the funds have settled, or failed if the transfer could not be processed. The estimated completion date gives you a target window. The actual timing can shift slightly depending on your bank's processing schedule. If an item moves from pending to completed, it will remain in your history just without the pending label, so you still have a clear record of the transaction. That's all there is to it. Open Robinhood, head to your profile, use the menu to enter history, look for pending, optionally filter for transfers, and tap any item to view its amount, estimated completion date, and status. With this flow, you'll always know where your money is in the process and when to expect it to arrive.